Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Steam overlay on your desktop. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam application on your computer and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in and can see your Steam library or home screen, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up Steam's main configuration panel where you can adjust various features and preferences. Once the settings window opens, you'll notice a left sidebar with different categories. In this panel, look for and click on In-Game. This section specifically controls features that affect your gaming experience while you're actually playing games, and the overlay is one of the most important settings here since it allows you to access Steam features without leaving your game. Now, within the in-game settings page, you'll see an option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right next to this text, there's a toggle switch that controls whether the overlay is active or not. This overlay is what allows you to access your friends list, web browser, screenshots, and other Steam features by pressing Shift plus Tab while you're in a game. It's incredibly useful for multitasking without having to minimize your game. If you want to enable the Steam overlay, simply click the toggle switch to turn it on. The switch will change color or position to indicate that the overlay is now active. This means you'll be able to access all Steam features while gaming, making it easy to chat with friends, check guides, or take screenshots without interrupting your gameplay. On the other hand, if you want to disable the overlay, click the toggle switch to turn it off. Some players prefer this option because it can improve game performance slightly or prevent accidental overlay activation during intense gaming moments. When disabled, you won't be able to access Steam features while in-game, but your games may run a bit smoother on lower-end systems. And that's it! You've now adjusted your Steam overlay settings to match your gaming preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.